How to multiply decimals. Before we start multiplying decimal by decimal, let's just do whole numbers and decimal. Imagine you found 6 items that each cost $3.27. So how much will the total bill be? Taxes are a part of the price. So you're going to multiply. You could add 327 6 times and get an amount, or you can multiply 6 times 327. A couple ways you do this. You can multiply normally, like this way, 327 times 6. I'm going to practice more with lattice multiplication because I realize lattice multiplication works really well when you multiply decimal. So it's 3.27 times 6 items. So again, to do lattice multiplication, you draw a line between the digits and you draw a diagonal. So what is 3 times 6? 18. 2 times 6 is 12. 7 times 6 is 42. You add it diagonally. 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9, 1. So we have digits 1962. But what place value is $3.27? Is in the hundredths place. We need to put our decimal point in the hundredths place. If I put it right here, no, that's thousandths place. Nope, tenths place. Oh, right here. So it will cost, if we buy 6 items for $3.27 each item will cost, the total price will be $19.62. To do a quick check, 6 times 3 is 18. Is that close to 19? Yes. Let's try another one more. So we have, now let's do a decimal by decimal. Let's get to the juice of stuff. So imagine someone bought 3.5 plates of food. Each plate of food weighs 2.25 or 2.25 pounds. How many pounds of food do you have? If I had to estimate, 3.5 is close to 4 times 2, about 8 pounds. 3 times 2 is between 6 to 8 pounds if I had to estimate. But let's find the exact answer. So we have draw a square box for our lattice multiplication. We have 3.5 and 2.25. Separate the digits. Again, I prefer lattice. And lattice really does work extremely well with multiplying decimals. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. Added diagonally, 5, 7. 161 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have the digit 7875. But this is where kids get confused. This is in the tenths place. These two digits are in the hundredths place. They want us to multiply tenths place by hundredths place. 10 times hundredths place, that's thousandths place. So our answer has to be in the thousandths place. Another way to say is there are 1 digit, 2, there are 3 digits behind these decimal points. So if I place the decimal point right here, 7.877, 7 and 875,000, that is 3 digits behind a decimal point. Let's check our work. Is 3 times 2 6? Is 7 close to 6? Yes. That's how you check your work. Let's practice another example. Imagine you buy 4 3/4 or 4 7/500 bottle or drink. No, let's say this. You drank 4 7/500 bottle of drink. Bottles. And each bottle contains I don't know, 2 and 22. Each bottle contains 2 and 2,600 liters of liquid. How much liquid did you drink in all of that day? So again, you have 4 and 75 bottles, liters, and each bottle contains this much liquids. That's a lot of liquids, liters of liquid you drank. So let's do lattice multiplication. 4, 7, 5 2.26. Separate the digit, separate digit, separate digit, separate digit. Lattice, 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 lattice. Let's fill in. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 6 is 42. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 6 is 30. Add it diagonally. 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4, 4, 4, 1. 0 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 2 plus 8 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. Whoa! So many digits. 107350. But where does the decimal? This is in the hundredths place. This is in the hundredths place. Hundredths place times hundredth place will be 10,000ths place. Somebody say, what? All right, let's just count the digits. There are 2 decimal places behind here, 2 behind here. So we need 4 digits behind the decimal point. So if I put the decimal point right here, there are 4 digits behind it. To check your work, what's 4 times 2? 8. So where can I put the decimal point so it's close to 8? Between 10 and 7. So it's 10, it's close to 8. So you drank, whoa, 10 and 735,000th amount of liquid. Be very careful. If you don't like lattice multiplication, I see kids who do this. Just pretend you have multiplication like this. 4 and 3600ths times 5 and 3/10. So kids will do this. 4.36 times 5.3. They say, oh, we have to line up the decimal point. You could, but make sure you add an extra placeholder there. However, when you do that, now you have 4 digits behind the decimal points. So when you multiply, make sure you move 4 digits over. Or if you want to do regular multiplication, multiply normally 436 times 53. Multiply as a whole number. Then you come up with an answer of I don't know the answer. Let's see, 18 carried to 1, that's 10, carried to 1, that's 13. That's 30 carried to 1, that's 15, 18 carried to 1, that's 21, 8, 0, 11 carried to 1, 3, 2. So it's 23108. But now go back, there are 3 digits behind the decimal point, so it goes right here. Another way to check your work is 4 times 5 is 20. Is 23 close to 20? It is. I prefer lattice multiplication because I think it multiplies really quickly, and it's very easily find where the decimal point goes in your solution. But if you would like to do regular multiplication of decimal with the traditional way, then make sure you just multiply just like us regular whole numbers, then you count the decimal point. Multiplying decimals.